So today on my new NX, well, new to me, I'm going to be replacing this glass because of that issue right there. I don't know if you can see. The glass is really wavy compared to the OEM one. You see it right there. You see all that waviness. If you look at this angle, not very noticeable like this. So it looks like the previous owner probably had their windows broken. As you can see, it's aftermarket glass. If it was OEM Lexus, it'd be something like that. The only reason I found out is I have broken glass in the car. Working on it. And a sneak peek of what else is going to be installed on the car in another video. Stay tuned for that. Here's the OEM glass that we're going to be installing. Let's get the door panel off first. Alright, so this is not going to be a full-blown tutorial. I'm just going to run through it really quick while I film the process. If there's any tips or tricks that I've run into, I'll stop and show you guys. But hopefully this video will give you an idea of the steps needed. So there's one Phillips there, one there, one right there. Once you get those three off, unplug the switch, and then the door panel can come off. Alright, so that's a tweeter connector, went right there. These two are the lock and door release, and they went about right there. Window is out. Lexus glass OEM, made in Japan. Guess I'll just walk you through what you need to undo. Hopefully that helps you, whoever's going to try to do it themselves. So you're going to have to peel this weather stripping off. There's 2 Phillips here, 10 mil hiding under here, 1 nozzle right there, 10 mils holding the window itself onto the regulator. Do not undo these until you're ready to pull the window out, because it's going to drop and you might break it. So once you take these 2 10 mils off and these Phillips, this rail slides up. You're gonna peel this weather stripping off, peel this one off, and once you get this and this off, then the window can come out. Here's the window I removed, and the window that is installed is the OEM one already. Alright, so let's do a quick test run before we reassemble it fully. Plug the window switch in. Everything seems good in place. Ready to put the door panel back on.